Boom! At the open, our all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want to stop it. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's from pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETFs, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that, but in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light watching them gain big profits while I'm still in my same big profit. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profit. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profit. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profit. That TTG money gang. Hey, making profit. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. It's Friday. It's the final day of the week. It's the final hour of the trading day before we get into the long holiday weekend. And what a way to finish out the week. Oh, my goodness. Not one, but two triple-digit gains today in the True Trading Group chat room. I told you this is going to be all about AI this week. I told you on Sunday evening, if you guys followed my live stream, I told you Sunday evening this was going to be a big week. I told you it was going to be a volatile week. I told you it was going to be all about NVIDIA earnings and AI. And my goodness, was it. 2 days ago, I told you that AI, ticker symbol AI, was set up for a short squeeze. It's one of the top stocks that I was focusing on. Today, monster move in ticker symbol AI. The stock is up 16%. As shorts are getting pressured. We are long, full disclosure, we are long ticker symbol AI going into the final hour of the day. I've taken profits off a handful of times. I'm long from around $29.30. Members are in the June 2nd $30 strike call option from $2 and change. Those things are going off at $5.50, $6. It's a monster day for us inside True Trading Group. Also, ticker symbol on. Also, that's a semiconductor that is absolutely exploding thanks to the rally that you've seen in semiconductors as a whole. It's all about NVIDIA. It's about AMD. It's about Broadcom. It's about ASML. It's about ON Semi. It's about Taiwan Semi. It's all the semiconductors. It's all the AI names. That's where the opportunity in this market lies. And if you have not been focusing on AI stocks for the last week, I don't know what the hell you've been doing. I really don't. Coming into this week, we said this is going to be all about AI. It's going to be all about AI. And now here we are telling you on a Friday, not one, but two triple-digit gains inside True Trading Group AI-related trades. One of them having to be ticker symbol AI. The other happening to be a semiconductor, but stemming from this AI craze. The AI craze is very, very real right now. It is pushing this market to the upside. The NASDAQ is up 2.7%. The S&P is up 1.5%. You are being led higher by AMD, by Microsoft, by Meta. Netflix is on fire. Tesla's on fire. Amazon's on fire. Apple's pushing. All of your tech names, your NASDAQ is ripping shorts to shreds. This is the craziest market environment that I've ever seen. In the face of everything that's been going on, the debt ceiling crisis, inflation, rate hikes, slowing economy, the market continues to churn higher as we push deeper and deeper into some major resistance levels, all while members of True Trading Group are absolutely killing it. Killing it. Congratulations to all the TG fam that profited from ticker symbol AI or from ticker symbol ON. Congratulations, all my THD fam. If you guys made money in chat today, if you made money on AI, you made money on ON, sound off in chat. Tell me how you did. You know, I love to hear about it. You know, I love it when the whole team hits. I got a very special guest who's going to come on this live stream and join me for the final hour of the trading session. But first, who the hell am I? Glad you asked. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, but now the current head trader and co-founder of True Trading Group. If you don't know by now, we are the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that's available to the retail trader. If you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, folks, you've come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, I go live right here. With myself, other TTG Pro trading mods, and special guests drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons and education that can help you become better traders. So take a moment, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Make sure you guys never miss out on any of these live streams. Why do you not want to miss a single one of these live streams? Well, because on every single one of these, we give you guys market analysis and commentary, trade ideas and positions that we are in ourselves to help you make money. Now, why should you care about anything specifically that we discuss? Well, that's simple. I did not figure this stuff out on my own. Guys, I began my trading career working for a fund in New York City. It was my very first job out of college. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash. But that's the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now, fast forward, I'm the co-founder and head trader of TTG, and along with my team of 9 professional trading mods and over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world reach their goals of achieving profitability. We actually have members in 115 different countries that are part of the True Trading Group family and the True Trading Group community. We truly are a global community. You see, I think we're the fastest and best platform out there because we combine university-level trading and investing courses. This is a simplified version of the 3-month educational training program that I went through when I worked at the fund. Before the fund let me touch $1 of the money, I had to go through this educational training program. And that is a simplified version of that is what you get in the courses. We do trading. I'm sorry. I just choked. Sorry about that. So it's trading courses, but we also focus on long-term investing. It's not just about day trading and swing trading at True Trading Group. We do stocks, we do options, we do crypto, we do futures, we do day trading, swing trading, long-term investing. We cover all of it inside TTG. We also pair that up with some of the top financial tools that are available today. These are tools that give you more information, help you make better decisions, increase your chances of success. The problem is they're expensive. They're about $5,000 to $6,000 a year. If you were to go directly to the companies that offer them, that's a lot of money. We spend years building relationships with these companies so we can offer their products on our platform at no additional cost to you. Of course, you get access to all of our members, which is the most educated, helpful, and supportive community of traders you're ever going to find, and successful communities of traders you're ever going to find. But you also get all of our trade alerts. Our trade alerts are from all of the mods. There's 9 of us. And we collectively, as a group, have been able to maintain a win rate of just around 80% going on the last 3 years. So if you are new, subscribe, smash the like button, turn on your notifications. You guys don't ever want to miss out on anything is that we have to discuss. So congratulations, everybody that's having a monster of a day. I'll go full screen on this so you guys can see the whole screen here. And this is going to be ticker symbol AI. And just to recap this one on you guys, if you guys are part of this live, if you've been on this channel at all for the last 2 days, you guys, yes, Kaivu, what's up, my man? Up over $15,000 on AI today. Congrats. Yes, I love it so much. Don Martin had their best week ever. I don't blame you, Don, because the monsters that we're having here to close out the week, I don't blame you. Fee Trader caught a 165% gain on AI, caught a 243% gain on Tesla. Angel Rivera, a 100% gain on ticker symbol AI. This is the opportunities that are in this market, and these are the opportunities that are inside True Trading Group. You guys are still not part of this group. I don't know what the hell that you guys are doing. Drew Lawson, also my best trading week ever. 200% gain on AI for Paul. Over 100% gain for Bruce. 80% gain for Ahmad. 175% gain for Bill Martin. Are you kidding me? Azaya Energetics says, how are you all making triple-digit gains? Rock on. I can't wait to start the courses. Amul says, I'm absolutely killing it on AI and OM. Thank you, Mike and Jess. 100% gain for my boy Firefighter Greg. It is a great day, not only because we're going into the Memorial Day weekend, and I want to give a big shout out, a big thank you from the bottom of my heart, all of our men and women out there that serve in this military, all of the men and women that made the ultimate sacrifice to protect this country. I think I speak for everyone inside True Trading Group that we genuinely love you all. We appreciate you all. We thank you all. And I hope that everyone here has a wonderful weekend with their friends and their family. But do not forget the entire reason why we have off of work on Monday. We have off of work on Monday because there's many people out there that are never going to go to work ever again. And don't you ever forget that. So thank you to all of our men and women out there, all the families that make the sacrifices. We love all of our military. We actually have a tremendous amount of military veterans that are part of True Trading Group. Hell, one of our moderators is even a military veteran. Okay. And this is why we at True Trading Group have made a decision that every single sale that we make from now until Monday at midnight we are going to match dollar for dollar a donation to the Wounded Warrior Project. So every single person that joins the True Training Group community between now and Monday at midnight, we will match dollar for dollar with a donation to the Wounded Warrior Project. Phenomenal organization that helps all of our military veterans and their families. And it's something that Adam and I are very proud to do. And it is our honor to do, everything that we can for our military men and women. Okay. So anyone that's interested in joining the TTG family and the TTG community, you guys can go to ttgoffer.com. We're running a Memorial Day special here this weekend. It is a 61% discount. It drops the price from $2,212 all the way down to $850. But you must enter the coupon code TTG121. Again, TTG121. You have to manually enter that coupon code. Now, when you go to the page, when you go to ttgoffer.com, the price is going to say $2,212 because that's the normal price. You enter the code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops down to $850 to 61% discount. And for every dollar of sales that we generate between now and Monday at midnight, we are matching dollar for dollar in a donation to the Wounded Warrior Project. Everything you get with your membership for that $850 is, guys, it's an all-inclusive membership. You get all of our courses, you get all of our tools, you get the entire 22-course curriculum. Joe, why don't you post up the syllabus actually? Okay, so that you guys can actually see for yourself, the list of courses you guys are going to have access to. So you're going to get beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures. It's all included. This is a simplified and expanded upon version of the 3-month educational training program that I went through when I worked at a fund in New York. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. That's $1,000 on its own if you go to Benzinga. It is included with your membership when you join True Trading Group. You get congressional trading data that lets you track the trades being made by members of Congress. Yes, Jason Hicks, 70% gain on my first trade using the TTG tools AI. Big win for Jason. Great job. Boom. I love it. That's awesome. Jason just joined yesterday. His very first trade, monster win. Ticker symbol AI, new high of the day. Full disclosure, we're long. We've been long since the morning. New high of the day on AI, guys. That's a TTG fam. You already know what's coming. You already know what this ticker symbol AI trade was. You already know it. This is something we do inside True Trading Group. Adam, I believe we've got the graphic. Why don't you go ahead and play the graphic? When we hit triple-digit gains inside True Trading Group, we give it a boom. There it is, folks. Just an absolute monster of a trade. New high of the day. AI, let's effing go. What else do you get with your membership for the $850? Besides the Benzinga newsfeed, the congressional trading data, Quote Media's full book level 2. This way, you see all of the order flow coming through and being presented by market makers. You also get TradingView's premium charting software. You get the Trade Ideas scanner that streams on our platform every day for you guys to use. You get ETNA's simulated, lets you trade stocks, options, crypto, futures with fake money, but real-time data so you can practice implementing what you're learning in the courses. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, analyst ratings. You don't know how to use any of this stuff? Don't worry about it. We'll teach it to you. We'll show you how to use it. You get a trading journal that tracks your trades and breaks it down to the statistics. You can see what you're doing wrong. You get a social sentiment scanner that tells you what stocks are being talked about most on social media. You get all of our watch list every morning. The mods and I tell you what stocks we're focusing on, what price we're going to buy, what price we're going to short. You know the whole game plan before the day even ever begins. So you're not running around like a chicken with its head cut off. When the bell opens, you're able to laser in and focus like a racehorse and get to your goal. All of this is included when you guys join True Trading Group, and you can do it right now for 61% off. It's good until Monday at midnight. The coupon code is TTG121. You have to manually enter that code and click apply code. And at every dollar in sales that we generate between now and Monday at midnight, we are donating dollar for dollar match to the Wounded Warrior Project in honor of all of our fallen military servicemen and women. It's our absolute honor and our pleasure to do just that. If you have any questions about True Trading Group, about the membership, Text us. Don't hesitate. We're full open book. We're fully transparent. 786-505-4049. The phone number is right down at the bottom of your screen. Text that phone number. Also, if you're a trial member, or you used to be a trial member, or you used to be an annual member, and you want to come back home, text that phone number. We have to whitelist your email address. Okay, we'll whitelist your email address. Just text us. We'll get you set up for the 850. And anyone that joins us between now and Monday at midnight for the Memorial Day weekend special, we also offer you a double your money back guarantee. Hear me carefully. A double your money back guarantee. I stand behind this platform. I see the results that members have. I know what works. And that's why any Street Trading Group, if you go through the courses, if you pass the quizzes, and you attend one study group, if you are unable to make back $850 at least one time during your membership, then I will give you back $1,700. That is double what you are paying to become part of the community. I can do that because we've only had to give a refund to 2.49% of all users since 2016. We are 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,100 reviews, and 78% of our members renew their membership or have gone on to become lifetime members of the True Trading Group family. Now, why is it that 78% of our members are going on and renewing their membership and becoming lifetime members of the community? Simple, because the vast majority of them are having success and making money. If you don't believe me, watch this. Members of True Trading Group, very simple question for you. Type the number 1 if you are making money and becoming better traders because of True Trading Group. Go ahead right now. Type the number 1 in chat right now. If you are making money, type the number 1 in chat right now. And if you're making money on AI, baby, I want to see those ones in chat. New high of the day, 33.50 going off right now in AI. We are still long. Short squeeze is on its way. 33.50, 34 is the mark. We get through 34. We're looking for that stock to potentially start to squeeze. We are absolutely ripping face right now on AI. Good volume surge coming through. 34 is the gap fill. Okay. This stock fills its gap at 34. 33.87 is the gap fill. Okay. That pivot top is 34.68. 34.68 is the pivot top. What I'm going to do right now with you guys right here live is I'm going to sell a piece of this position, okay, in front of that 34 area, and then we're going to hold some of this position over the weekend and see if we get a continued squeeze and a continued short squeeze on Tuesday. That's what we are going to be looking to do, okay? Guys, if you made money on AI today, sound off in chat. Tell me how you did. I want to hear it. I want to hear it. Tell me how you did. It's an absolute monster of a day. So go to ttgoffer.com right now. Start capitalizing on these opportunities. Stop watching other people make money as the greatest market environment and opportunity just continues to pass you by. Stop listening to people on social media talk about stocks like Mullen that are nothing but a waste of time and nothing but a waste of money. This is where the action is. Members catching triple-digit gains, not once, but twice. If you're not here, you know what? I come on these live streams day after day. I told you on Sunday, the market's going to go crazy this week. I told you on Sunday that it's going to be all about AI. 2 days ago, I told you that ticker symbol AI was setting up for a short squeeze. And now here we are, 2 days later, long AI with triple-digit gains. If you're watching these live streams and you're not part of the community and you're not capitalizing, shame on you. It's there for you. The tools are there. The community is there. The education is there. And the double your money back guarantee is there. Go to ttgoffer.com now. Use that coupon code TTG121. But you know what else? It wasn't just about ticker symbol AI today. AI is an absolute freaking monster. But it's not just about AI. Because we also had another triple-digit gain today inside True Trading Group. And that, folks, was in ticker symbol ON. Now, to help me break down ticker symbol ON, like I told you before, it is not just myself inside True Trading Group. There are 9 professional traders that walk you through every single day. Made $1,400, paid for my membership today, says the Gil team. Yes, Gil. Gil's a brand new member, guys. Just joined the community, and Gil already with a 1,400% gain. You almost doubled your membership up in just a couple of days. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead right now, guys. I want you to give a big TTG Ayo welcome to Jessica.
Hey, yo.
There she is.
How's it going? Happy Friday.
Yes, happy Friday. It is.
Happy Friday.
It's the happiest of Fridays.
Yes, absolutely.
I
don't know. My daughter is graduating kindergarten, so
congrats.
A little bit of a mix for me because my mom heart is a little bit broken today. But it's okay.
She's growing. She's getting bigger now.
Yes.
Oh man. Well, Jess, I don't have to ask you, how your trading day went. I know it was a monster of a day. I'm sure your husband is quite thrilled. I'm sure you've already shared with him the news.
Yes, he's actually on his way home from being gone for a week. So
yes. Excellent. Well, Jess, walk me through, I just kind of went over with people about ticker symbol AI. So again, guys, full disclosure, everyone that's just tuning in, I'm long ticker symbol AI earlier this morning from $29 and change. Members are in the June 2nd $30 call option from around $2 and change. That call option is around $5 or $6 right now. The stock's trading at 33. Jess is long ticker symbol. Jess, you're still long or you're fully out?
Yeah, I'm still long.
Still long. Of course you are. Monster. Ticker is long ticker symbol ON. And I'll break down for you guys the AI trade in a few moments. But first, I want to go ahead. I want to pass things over to Jess. Jess, I'll break it down on the charts. Walk me through ticker symbol ON. Give me the analysis. Give me the trade executions. And let's tell me how you just crushed this thing today.
Sweet. So last night, I was actually in STR and we were talking about NVIDIA's earnings and the move with AMD. And for those of you that don't know, I am a mid-cap momentum trader. I don't like extreme volatility, but I don't like boring either. So mine is the middle range volatility. And NVIDIA has been nuts since earnings, right? It hasn't pulled back. It's been nuts. And AMD has fed off of a lot of what happened with NVIDIA's earnings. Now, AMD does not hold as much of the AI, hype, but the momentum is running off of the back of NVIDIA. And, yesterday I was watching MEU, which is part of the chip sector and all of that. And it didn't make the move yesterday. So we were going over last night in STR. What things could we look at going into today if this or that happened, right? And so we went over ON and I was like, you guys, what I'm going to look for is if AMD gaps up tomorrow, I want to see ON break over the daily trend line, okay, which sits there at $83, $83.25. I said, I want to see us break over the daily trend line and hold support. So this morning, going into the bell, that's exactly what we did. We pushed up right off the bell. We flagged a little bit on a 3-minute chart. We flagged there right at that 83.25. And then we broke above that level. Now, when we pulled back in to that level, I told members I got long. We broke through this level. I like the risk reward on this trade. AMD was still holding up nicely. And I got long at 83.51 and my stop was 82.50. And literally I entered this trade and there was not one single red candle. After I entered this trade, there was not one single red candle. So I took profit in front of resistance at 85.85. And then we broke through that level and I took another piece of profit at 86.75. And I told members, listen, stocks don't just go up forever. And we literally haven't even put in a red candle yet. Nice. I honestly wanted to see the stock reset at 85, consolidate for a little bit, and then break out again. So moving on throughout the day, that's exactly what happened. We pulled into 85. You can see we held support there. And then we pushed up off of that level. Now, this happened during lunch, which I wish that this would have waited, but hey, the move's the move, right? So it happened and we pushed back up towards high day, and that's what gave us the steam and the momentum, and we just went and hit new all-time high. I had an order out, it didn't get triggered. So let's see if this 87 can hold, and then I'm looking to take profit in front of 88.
Excellent. Absolutely excellent. Yeah, guys, this is just an unbelievable trade here for ON. And I was just having a conversation with Jess too, just a few minutes before this. And I got to tell you, one of the things that I think that a lot of people can learn from Jess, and something that I think is something that Jess is best at, and it's something that a lot of people struggle with, which is being able to really have an idea within a sector, like have an idea about a sector, whether you're bullish or bearish on a sector, having that idea and tuning out all of the noise and laser focusing in on a setup that is right into her strategy and her style. It could have been very easy for traders to just get sucked into an NVIDIA and get spun around in NVIDIA, and traders that, go into NVIDIA not realizing how volatile that stock is really truly going to be, and getting whipped around and getting stopped out, getting options that are too expensive, and they lose more than they thought. But Jess sat there and said, okay, well, I'm going to use this to identify strength in the sector and find a high quality setup with better risk reward than NVIDIA, and to find a high quality setup that she can capitalize on that fits into her strategy and her style. It shows tremendous emotional discipline and focus and control in her trading. And it's something that is necessary if you guys want to become consistently profitable, is having that discipline, having that patience, and having that control. So now, again, full disclosure, Jess is still long from this 83.51, has already taken out the bulk of her position for monster profit, still long a small piece of the position. I am still long AI, small piece of this position. Bulk of this position is off the table already. And we'll see if you get a continuation of a squeeze. Okay. So just an unbelievable day here. I'll walk you guys through now, ticker symbol AI. Well, we got about 25 minutes to go here before the bell. So AI, now what I want to talk to you guys about AI, and if you guys have been on my live stream, congratulations, Jess, again. It's unbelievable. Just a freaking monster.
Thank you.
I didn't even remember.
And really quick, before you dive into AI, I just want to mention too, this is my first trade of the week. So remember that I said this in chat today, and welcome, Jason. Jason.
Oh, Jason. Well, yes, Jason. Welcome. Jason, welcome to the TTG family, guys. Everybody welcome Jason, newest member of the group. Guys, again, go to ttgoffer.com, coupon code TTG121. Click apply code, price drops to $8.50.
Yes, that's so fun to do. That is so fun to welcome new members to the fam.
Isn't it?
I love that. Yeah, it's awesome. So, something that's really important to remember, and I put this in chat today because I've got a chaotic schedule and I've missed a couple of my setups this week. I actually had a plan for PLTR, which would have been a monster. I had a plan for Ford, would have been a monster. And it's just been a really chaotic week with my schedule. And it's really important to remember that, with a busy schedule, yes, trading is hard, but it's manageable. You can do it if you learn who you are as a trader and if you stay patient. That's the biggest part of trading with a busy schedule, is having discipline and staying patient. And I hope that today with this trade, that shows members and people watching this stream that I didn't trade all week.
Yeah.
And that's hard. When my husband's gone, I want to trade every day, right? This is how I'm going to get him home. But, I've got the kids and our business, there's a lot going on. And so, just staying patient in the idea of okay, NVIDIA had great earnings. How can I capitalize on this with my schedule? And, this is just proof that no matter where you are in life, no matter what your goals are, it's possible to do this. It's possible, with the right education and just like Mike said, the discipline and the patience, that's what this is about. So congratulations if you were able to capitalize on this trade today. I was out cleaning my pool, doing laundry, cleaning toilets. I just came back from my daughter's kindergarten party. You guys, I've been in this trade all day doing all of the things. So it's possible.
I love it. I love it so much. And guys, with Jason joining, by the way, that's $850 that are being donated to the Wounded Warrior Project. Like we said, for every dollar that we do in sales between now and Monday at midnight, we are going to be matching dollar for dollar in a donation to the Wounded Warrior Project. So Jason, welcome to the family. And that's $850 going to the Wounded Warrior Project. So Jess, congratulations on just an absolute monster of a trade on ticker symbol ON. I see a bunch of members absolutely crushed it. Made money from the golf course today, my boy Jimmy, while he hit 6 pars. Nice job. Very nice job. I'm golfing this weekend as well, so that's going to be good. Congratulations there. Everyone that capitalized on ON. It's a monster. It's a triple-digit gain on the options. It's a great way to finish and close out the week. So congrats on that one, Jess.
Thank
now,
you.
My trade, guys, is AI. Okay, so AI is where I made my money today. Now, if you've been on my live streams for the last 2 days, you'll know that we have been talking about. We got to welcome Roberto, guys. We got to welcome Roberto. That is now $1,700 being donated to the Wounded Warrior Project. Everybody, welcome Roberto, newest member of the community, guys. Again, go to go to ttgoffer.com, ttgoffer.com. The coupon code is TTG121. Again, that's TTG121. You have to manually hit apply code. The price then drops down to $850. It's going to say $22.12. You got to click that apply code, and then it'll drop to $850. It's a 61% discount. You got to double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need it, but it's there to back. It's there. Yeah. Big time, Jess. It's there for peace of mind, and it's there to hold us accountable. It's there for peace of mind and to hold us accountable, guys. So again, every dollar that we sell today in memberships until Monday at midnight, donated to the Wounded Warrior Project. So there is $1,700. Welcome, Roberto.
I feel like Hugh Jackman's fat stunt double in Wolverine.
Yeah, that's close. That's definitely close. So there you have it, guys. So back to AI, right? I'll take you guys now back to AI. This was trade of the day for me. On was trade of the day for Jess. And I've been talking about this AI stock for the last 2 days, about it being set up for what could be a short squeeze. You had a gap up yesterday, a pullback, puts in a little bit of a tail. But then today was really the day. Today was the day that this stock formed a trade setup that I teach members of True Trading Group that I call a double bottom gap up. And then that was triggered by what's called a trade line VWAP crossover. Now, the trade line, for those that don't know, is the 9 exponential moving average. Okay. You will learn how to use this indicator. It's a momentum indicator. Okay. It is a momentum based indicator. Let me move this over so you guys can see. There we go. Now you can see the whole chart. Okay. It's a momentum based indicator. I'll show you the double bottom gap up. You guys will learn how to identify these trades. You'll learn how to identify these trades and these setups. So it's when the stock gaps up and puts in a double bottom early. And here's your double bottom early. So here's the double bottom, and it's a double bottom gap up. That's because the stock gapped up and then puts in the double bottom, right? So double bottom gap up. Then the stock starts to climb. It pushes over VWAP. VWAP is this orange line on my screen. The trade line is this teal blue line. Breaks over VWAP and gives you an increase in volume. Now, once that happens, you look for VWAP and trade line to now start acting as support. So I got long on that break right there. Okay, right here is my entry on AI. Right there's the entry, and my stop loss is underneath lows of the day. Okay, so here's my stop. Just draw it out for you guys so everybody fully understands. My stop is in red. The double bottom is there in white. The box entry point, that's where I got long the stock. And it's because of a trade line VWAP crossover. Now, when a trade line VWAP crossover occurs, you very simply want to see the trade line begin acting as a level of support while the stock experiences its momentum push. Now, stocks do not necessarily have momentum throughout the entirety of a trading day. Momentum comes in waves. And the trade line indicator is something that it literally is called a momentum-based indicator. So when a stock is making a clearly defined, definitive momentum-based move, that indicator tends to act as a level of support. So being able to identify what triggers that momentum is crucial in you being able to jump on like a surfer and ride that wave of momentum. So it starts with the double bottom. It is triggered by the push above VWAP with the increase in volume. You take the long against VWAP, and then watch that blue line Watch this teal blue line as the stock now starts to extend. That teal blue line begins acting as a level of support. Watch it. There's that teal blue line acting as a level of support while the stock experiences its momentum-based push. And this turns out to be an absolute monster of a trade for us. I took profits off on this 5 times. Okay, I have taken profits off on AI 5 times already today. So I'm down to a small piece of the position. I want to see if we close up near 34. We're going to try to hold on to some of this position over the weekend, and we're going to see if we get a gap up on Tuesday and see if there's a short squeeze on AI. If AI gets over this previous pivot top that you see from right here, this level, if we get over this level, I think you can experience a short squeeze. All right. I think you can experience a short squeeze. That short squeeze could take you up into like $42 if you get that short squeeze. So I think there's more upside there on AI. We'll see how we close things out. I took profit off 5 times on this push with my latest take profit at 32.98 right there. That's my most recent take profit is 32.98. Again, the call options on this, absolute freaking monster. Over a triple-digit gain for members in True Trading Group. So congratulations again, all of the team that capitalized on this runner. Just an unbelievable way to finish out the day, to finish out the week. Unbelievable way to go into the holiday weekend. Mike, would you hold the AI June 9th options over the weekend? Rose, so if you're holding on to the options, obviously you're going to have, implied volatility. You're going to have time decay. So it's a little bit, you have to take that into consideration when you're holding on to positions rather than myself that's holding on to the equity. I think you're okay to hold on to some of the position rows, but you know me, I don't like, being a pig. I think take profits. This is a huge move. Get out of 80% of your position. Hold on to 20%. And if you get the gap and it does short squeeze, you've still got a piece of your position that you can just make a ton of money on. Okay? You can make a ton of money. This thing goes to $42. That 20% of your position is going to pay you massively. Massively. You don't need to be in the full position in order to make a ton of money. So you're up big on the trade already, Rose. Make sure to take that profit off and stuff it in your pocket. It's the safest place for it. You want to hold on to a piece, do so. That's what I'm doing. I'm holding on to a piece, but I'm out of the bulk of my position. Well out. I've already taken profit 5 times. So I'm down to a small piece. We're going to hold it. We'll see if we squeeze next week. All right.
Yeah, congratulations on that trade. That was a beautiful setup. Like textbook.
Yeah, Gort, and you know what? I just got to say something real quick to Roberto. Roberto, brother, thank you for your service. Roberto says, I'm a past annual member, and I went away for several months. I'm back now because of your commitment to the Wounded Warrior Project. As a 29-year veteran, I appreciate this. Roberto, believe me, brother, I appreciate you far more than you appreciate us for doing this for the Wounded Warrior Project. It's our honor. Again, guys, if you're just joining us, every dollar in sales that we generate between now and Monday at midnight, we are going to match dollar for dollar with a donation to the Wounded Warrior Project. As it stands right now, we have raised $1,700 for a donation to the Wounded Warrior Project, and everything from now through Monday night is going to the Wounded Warrior Project. So if you guys are interested, go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops down to $850. That's it for the whole year. It's all of our courses. It's all of our tools. And you got a double your money back guarantee to coincide with it. So if you guys have questions, also don't hesitate. Text us 786-505-4049. All right, guys, so here we are. We got a couple of minutes still here. We have about 15 minutes to go before the bell. SPY still sitting up here, 420, right? We're sitting at this resistance level. I got to imagine that at this point, the markets are moving higher. So first, let's talk about why the market's moving higher today. Well, markets are moving higher today, a combination of things, okay? Markets are moving higher on the combination of positive discussions and progress with the debt ceiling discussion and talks. And obviously the hype around AI and the hype behind, obviously, technology. Technology stocks are what's pulling this market higher. That's why the NASDAQ's up 2.5 and the SPY's only up 1.4. Technology is the largest sector by market cap of the S&P. So when you have massive moves in technology, it's going to pull the S&P up with it. Now, approach the Dow, that's only up 1%. Now look at the Dow as I pull the Dow up on my screen. Look at that chart compared to the NASDAQ.
Yo,
What's
the
up?
apocalypse is taking place outside, and we weren't expecting it because we're all so dialed in. There was this huge bang of thunder, and Sammer and I both just stood up and started screaming.
You guys are nuts.
It's the
When
thunder.
you
The
guys are
thunder
nuts.
took them out.
I know. So you guys can see here, okay, you see the chart of the NASDAQ, absolutely ripping face on fire. Then you look at the Dow. The Dow doesn't have that tech component, right? The Dow doesn't have that tech component. And the SPY is stuck right in the middle. So this is a tech-based rally, clearly. Right? It's a tech-based rally, clearly, and an AI-based rally. And this is why, this is where the focus needs to be. I told you guys coming into this, I told you guys coming into this week that this is going to be an AI-centered week, that the focus will be on AI. If you've been looking elsewhere, there's been so many opportunities, whether it was ticker symbol AI, whether it was AMD, whether it was ticker symbol ON, whether it was ASML. Look at ASML. Are you kidding me? Stock's up $28. Look at Adobe. Are you nuts? Stock's up $24. Look at Broadcom. Broadcom is up $83. $83. We added this stock in the long-term portfolio last year at like 500. It's now at 800. Adam is also, guys, and just a big announcement here. Adam's going to do an AI workshop for any TC member that's interested in how to get started with AI on Monday from 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern inside the main chat room. So anyone that doesn't have Memorial Day plans, if you guys want to learn about AI, how to get started with AI, how to use AI, okay, Adam is going to do a workshop from 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern on Memorial Day. What a guy, man. You want to talk about dedication to the TTG community on his day off, spending 2 hours with the TTG fam inside main chat to show you guys how to get started with AI and how to use AI. Man, get inside that main chat. That's for any TTG member that's interested. That's for all members. That's not just for lifetime members. That's for all members of True Trading Group. You guys can be inside the main chat room with Adam on Monday. All right. Let's see. What
A
else?
lot of members too, Mike told me today that they took yesterday on my watch list. I had MU on my watch list to hold that $70 level once you break through to hold 70. And a lot of members got in on that break, and they said that they rode that all day long. So that was a great trade too. And that is also part of the chip sector. So there was a lot of trades were going on in chat today that we didn't even alert. A lot of action today, especially for a holiday weekend. It was awesome.
I got to tell you, I'm completely honest. I was not expecting this at all today. I coming into usually the Friday before Memorial Day weekend is usually a slow day. Not this year, boy. And I think it's just a testament to how volatile and how much opportunity is in this market environment that we find here. For the entire trading day, you've had massive moves, massive opportunity, massive breakouts, massive momentum, and massive follow through. And I mean, I keep telling people on these live streams, and I feel like I become a broken record. And I feel like people just don't believe it sometimes. And I'm sitting here telling you, this is the most opportunity that I've ever seen. And if you're not taking advantage of this opportunity, then you guys are missing out. You're really doing yourself a massive disservice, and you're missing out on these opportunities. It's just, I did not think that the NASDAQ was going to be up 2.5% today. I thought today would be like a small day, whether you're green or red. I just didn't think it was going to be very eventful. But no, we opened up and you saw the momentum in the AI stocks, and we identified it early, right? You were all over ON, all over MU. We were watching AMD surge to new highs. It gapped up. That was the trigger. You talked about it earlier. You said, guys, if AMD gaps up, and holds those prior day highs and starts to extend, you got to look for MU to continue. You look for ON. I was looking at AI. noticing that strength and noticing that momentum very early on allowed us to get into very good positions very early. I mean, you got to look at where we entered these trades. We entered these trades so early on in the move, and we're able to make just basically the entirety of the move. Just unreal. Just unreal. Congratulations, guys. Yeah, a lot of people caught MU. Some people caught Amazon. I mean, it's just phenomenal trading that went on. And I'm so proud of all of you guys. Really, really am. Really proud of you guys.
Oops, my mic was off. I was talking to myself for a solid second there.
Oh, wait, Nez, they've got the U.S. Fleet Forces Commander is ringing the closing bell on the New York Stock Exchange. That is awesome.
That's awesome.
That is awesome. They got a bunch of, oh, wow, look at this. They got a bunch of different military servicemen and women that are coming in here in their different uniforms.
That's awesome.
So awesome. So incredible. So cool. Very, very cool.
So this isn't part of the AI space, but yesterday in chat, I mentioned to members that I was looking at Ford contracts for my small account challenge. And I was like, oh, I'll just enter them tomorrow, right? But then they had news come out about them with Tesla, and those contracts, like some of those members got in those contracts yesterday when I mentioned that. They were at 11 by 12 cents. Those contracts went to 50 cents today.
Oh.
Like, unbelievable.
400%
I'm
banger.
gonna cry a little bit about this, but those contracts went to 50 cents.
That is nuts.
Yeah, it was wild. And I was like, dang it, I missed it. But then when I started like getting the messages, like, I took your idea, I'm taking profit, like 32 cents, 42, 45 cents, 50. I was like, yes.
Yes. That's awesome. That's so awesome. I gotta hit on real quick. I gotta hit on this PRST. My boy Robert Lopez has asked me about PSRT 1,700 times in chat. So I'll address it real quick. Heavy resistance at $4. Robert, if you take a look at the daily chart, you see his previous tops here at $4. We're coming into the close. It is heaviest volume of the day there on that breakthrough, but the volume is still pretty light. Like it's a low volume stock. I know this is heavy volume for the stock, but it's a low volume stock in general. The market's going to close in 5 minutes. I'm not looking to take a trade on anything, brother, but if you want to take a trade on and see if it squeezes after hours, that would be the play. The play is buy the pullback to 350, stop loss 325, and see if it squeezes after hours. If it gets through 4, the stock could have room. If it gets through 4, it could have room to maybe 5.25 if it does start to squeeze. But it's not a trade that I'm going to take right now. I'm had a huge day and we're happy with it, and just pleased with what we're seeing here out of the AI names. But that would be the analysis there. That would be the analysis there on that. All right. So we got a couple minutes here before the bell, guys. It looks like the market's going to close right at highs of the day. We're almost at highs.
Mike, do you see that? They got in at 9 cents and closed it at 67.
Oh my goodness.
Unbelievable. Wow. For a small account, that is a banger trade. Like, unreal. Robert Lopez says he's already in from 318 when I first called it. Oh, nice, Robert. Great job, man. I didn't know. I just saw your comments before. Yeah, Jess, that Ford trade that's a thing too. And I also want to point that out, guys. That Intru Trading Group, the moderators and I will tell you all of the stocks that we're focusing on and where we would be buying, where we would be selling. So you know exactly what the game plans are. But in reality, the moderators and I are not going to enter every single trade that we're focusing on. We can't trade everything, right? But we'll always give you our analysis and our thought process. And our goal is to educate you enough to the point where you're confident enough to hear analysis and execute a trade on your own without needing a trade alert in order to get in. Like Jess didn't get into the Ford trade, but it was on her watch list. She talked about the game plan. She was focused on other things. Members were able to capitalize on Ford, and that's a 500% gain.
I mean, that's just unbelievable. So, I mean, just
It's wild. The action that happened today is wild.
yeah,
I was not expecting this.
me neither.
I was like, great. The only day I get to trade is on a weekend where there's a long haul, you know, and I was like,
Yeah.
oh, there's not going to be a lot. And then everything just like set up, and I was like, dang, this is awesome.
Yeah, there's so much. There was so much out there today. I almost don't want the day to end.
I know. It's crazy.
But we're gonna enjoy the weekend. We're gonna enjoy the holiday. Again, guys, anyone that joins True Trading Group between now and Monday at midnight, every dollar that we sell in memberships, we are matching dollar for dollar in a donation to the Wounded Warrior Project. We've raised $1,700 so far, and we're gonna run that all throughout the weekend, coming up until Monday at midnight. Monday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, we're gonna go live right here on the YouTube channel to go over the game plan for next week. So set your reminders. That's Monday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. We're going to go live right here on this YouTube channel. Set your reminders. We'll talk about the game plan for next week. We'll talk about what we think the market's going to do, where we see opportunity. Is there more upside in this market? I'll answer that question for you guys on Monday. So again, if you guys are interested, go to ttgoffer.com. Use that coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price drops down to $850. You get a double your money back guarantee. If you can't make $850 back at least one time during your membership, we're going to give you back double. That's $1,700. Our goal is 50 new members by Monday at midnight. That is our goal. Our goal is 50 members by Monday at midnight, which will be good for a 42. What is that? What's the math on that? Yeah, $42,500 donation to the Wounded Warrior Project. That is our goal. Okay, our goal is 50 new members, $42,500 donation to the Wounded Warrior Project. That's our goal as a company. I think we're going to hit it, especially with all the craziness going on and all these monster trades that we're having in True Trading Group, and it's for an amazing cause.
I mean, yeah. I mean, I think 50 new members is doable. I would love to see the 42,500 number bothers me because it's not like an even
50.
It's not an even 50. Do you want to try and go for 50?
Yeah, I mean, dude, I'll go for 100. I mean, the bigger the
but something that's realistic.
Yeah.
All right, real quick. I just took final profit on that on trade. My fill was 86.48. Gosh, I'm a little salty with myself because I had an order sitting at 87.85 and 13 cents. But it's okay. It was still a monster trade. So final take profit just came off on that trade. Congratulations. It was a great day.
Great job. Great job,
So,
Jess.
it comes out to like 58 members. 58 new members or 59.
And there's the bell. We are closed. And the head of the U.S. Fleet Force, commander of the U.S. Fleet Forces, is ringing the bell. Unbelievable.
Where do you see that?
On CNBC.
I'm on CNBC right now. I don't see that.
It's not on CNBC anymore. It just was.
Whatever. Let's go for 60.
Sure.
Did we close at 420?
What?
What did we close at? What did the market close at?
420.
Yeah, 419.98.
And AI is at 32.94. Was that the end of your?
I don't know, man. I lost track of what I was saying.
Okay, that's what it seemed like that. So yeah, guys. So that's what we're gonna go for. All right. So that's kind of wraps up.
All right. So what are we going for? 60?
Yeah, whatever 50 is. Whatever 50.
All right. Well, it's 58, but let's just call it 60. So we have 58 more to go.
Okay.
So you know what that means. When we hang up, let's make some advertisements.
Okay. Let's do
Right?
Let's
Make
do
a little
that.
ad, a little video, put it out there on social media for people to trash over the weekend.
That sounds like a great idea.
I'll be in your advertisement.
Let's do it.
Is James available?
Oh,
He will be in about 20 minutes.
I love James. James is
yes. Wait, we power us. Great question. Would that 850 be our renewal rate every year thereafter as well?
Yes.
You betcha. When you guys join True Trading Group, you are grandfathering yourself in at that price point. So if you join here today for $850, when it comes time to renew your membership, and guess what? I'm pretty sure you're going to want to renew because 78% of our members do. You're going to only renew for $850. Doesn't matter if our membership is $2,500. You'll renew for $850. Yes, way to go, Dave Norby.
Hang on. Don't praise him. Dave, does your wife still hate us?
Dave Norby's wife hates us.
Does she know where you're getting your money from?
Norby's wife had a trade. She just needs to meet Jess, and I'll just get her on the trading bandwagon, and then all will be good, Dave.
That's a good idea, Dave. You should. That's a good idea, Dave. Let your wife talk to Jess.
Dave, does she spend the money that you make from the people she hates? No.
I got to pick on Dave, man.
Dog, it is insane.
I got to pick on him.
In other
He's
news,
happy. He made money today. He's finally starting to get some good trades in. He's sticking to
I
his
just don't
risk
understand
management,
it.
making profits. He's progressing. He's getting better. He's making money.
But she hates you. She thinks that you're a con artist.
I don't know why. I'm such a nice guy.
It's the accent. It's got to be the
Yeah, I
accent.
feel like
And he's got great eyebrows. How could she hate him?
I
He's
know.
got
I
great
feel like
eyebrows.
Somebody told me. Somebody told me that somebody told me today that they just wanted to let me know that they're getting separated from their spouse, which sucks. But they wanted to let me know that the spouse thought that we were a pyramid scheme until he paid her legal bill with profits from True Trading Group or something.
That's hilarious.
We weren't such a pyramid scheme after that.
That's hilarious. That's amazing. So, all right, folks. So there you have it. That's our goal. 50K. That's our goal. Donate to the Wounded Warrior
Which
Project.
means we need 58 more members.
So you guys better get moving. What I'll do now actually is I'll show you guys what the platform actually looks like, so you know exactly what the $850 is going to get you, right? So you know what the $850 is going to get you guys. So if you're not interested in a membership at all, you may sign off the live stream now. We're done with the education and the analysis stuff.
Bye, Jess.
All right,
Jess.
guys. I gotta go. I'll see you later. I'll see you on Tuesday.
Congrats on a great day. Have a good weekend. I'll see you later.
Thank you. See ya.
Later.
Bye.
Bye, folks. So that concludes the educational part of the live stream. If you're not interested, you can sign off, but subscribe, smash the like button, turn on notifications before you go. For those of you that are interested in the membership, let me show you the platform so you guys can actually see what you're going to get access to, because it is an all-inclusive membership. So the $850 gets you all of our courses, all of our tools. Obviously, here's the chat room. Let me show you what it looks like. Chat room is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades. We're with you from pre-market all the way through until the after-hour session. Okay, we're with you for the entire day. We share our screen. You see what we are looking at. We talk on the microphone. We tell you what we're doing and what we're thinking and what we're seeing. And you also get real-time push notifications when the mods enter or exit trades. You also get to use our mobile app. The mobile app lets you see the screen share and listen to the audio commentary if you're not in front of your computer, and gives you the push notifications when the moderators enter and exit positions. You'll also get 2 private study groups with our members, our moderators, to speed up your learning curve. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, gives you breaking news as soon as it crosses the wire. You get congressional trading data, so you can track the trades being made by members of Congress. You get TradingView's premium charting software, the Trade Ideas scanner, which streams on our platform so you guys can use the most commonly used scanner amongst traders. You get a simulator from ETNA, lets you trade stocks, options, crypto, futures with fake money, but real-time data, so you can practice implementing what you're learning in the courses. A proprietary scanner that lets you create your own custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow. Guys, all this stuff is included. You don't have to pay $1 extra for any of it. It's included in the $850. Okay. You'll also get a trading journal that tracks your trades and breaks it down to the statistics. You can see what you're doing wrong. A social sentiment scanner tells you what stocks are being talked about most on social media. Analyst ratings on any stocks. You can see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on a particular stock. You get a watch list every day from the mods that tell you what stocks we're focused on with prices we're going to buy and prices we're going to be looking to short. You get all of our courses. The courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it, we've got it. It's all included at no additional cost. There are no VIP courses. Hey, Shai's Bootcamp helped fix my trading, my first green week since learning options. I feel like I have turned the corner. That is incredible. Congratulations, Robo Matt. Congratulations, Robo Mutt. Congratulations, Robo Mutt. Yeah, Shai just did a 2-day intensive options trading bootcamp. Shai is also a military veteran. She's one of our professional trading mods. And congratulations on that one, Robo Mutt. Guys, these boot camps are no joke. These boot camps, spending 2 days, I've had mediocre results on my own. I discovered I lack discipline, emotional control, and risk management. I expect TTG to be the cure. I will work and listen to the experts. Roberto, my pleasure, brother, to help you through your journey and through your process. Let's do it together. Welcome to the family. So, guys, back to those courses. The courses, again, are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. You know, there's no VIP courses that cost more money after you join. We don't play games like that. I don't sell you half the solution. You get access to all of it. Go to ttgoffer.com. The price will say $22.12. You have to enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. The price will drop to $850, 61% off. Every person that joins between now and Monday at midnight, we are going to match dollar for dollar on the membership for a donation to the Wounded Warrior Project. If you have questions about the membership, or if you used to be a member, used to be a trial, or currently are a trial, and you want this deal, you have to text us. We got to whitelist your email, 786-505-4049. All right. We Power Us says, show us the trade ideas scanner. We just did. But Joe, if you want to pull up the trade ideas scanner one more time, there it is. So We Power Us, there's the trade idea scanner that streams on our dashboard, our platform every day. So you can use it. There's the trade idea scanner, We Power Us. You also get Benzinga Pro's news feed. When you pull that up one more time, Joe, to show We Power Us, there's Benzinga's news feed. You get that included as well. You also get dark pool data. You want to show him that, Joe. You get dark pool data as well. All of this information is included with your membership. All right. All of this is included with your membership. All right, guys. So again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. And guys, listen, I can't guarantee that you're going to be successful just because you join True Trading Group. But what I can guarantee is if you join and pay $850 right now, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend the study group. And if you're unable to make back the $850 membership fee at least once during your membership, I'll give you back $1,700. That's the deal. I can do that because we have only had to give a refund to 2.49% of our users dating back to 2016. 78% of our members renew their membership or have become lifetime members of the group. And we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,100 reviews. TTG, you have made a good thing. Thanks for the education, making right trades, and starting to be green. Who would have thought? Johnny, I would have thought. I would have thought. Congratulations to you. My biggest problem was always greed, not taking profits. Because of that, I often lost money on trades. Since I've joined TTG, my profits and confidence while in a trade have both grown dramatically. Leroy, yes. And Leroy's a new member. Leroy just joined a couple weeks ago. I love to hear it, Leroy. I love to hear it, man. Congrats. Congrats. It's just the beginning, brother. It's just the beginning. It's amazing what a real education can do for you guys. It really is. It's amazing what real education can do for you. All right. So that's it, folks. That is it. Again, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. That's all she wrote. All right. Again, if you have questions, don't hesitate. Text us 786-505-4049. $850 membership fee is an unbelievable value. Get it while you can. Yeah, price is going up at Monday at midnight, guys. We're only doing this for Memorial Day. So after Monday at midnight, the price is getting jacked up over $1,000. Save yourself the $150 to $200. Okay, save yourself the money. Get it now for $850, and we will match dollar for dollar every membership that we sell. We're going to donate to the Wounded Warrior Project. Our goal is $50,000. We have 58 more memberships to go between now and Monday at midnight. Be a part of it. Join the family. ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Thanks for joining us tonight, folks. I had a wonderful time in chat with you guys this week. As always, it is a huge way to finish out the week. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy the holiday. But again, don't forget why we are celebrating this weekend. Very important that we remember why we have Memorial Day in the first place and why we all live the lives that we live today because of the men and women that have made the sacrifices that they have made and the sacrifices that their families have made in the past. So again, huge thank you. I appreciate, I love, and honor every single one of our military veterans, both active, both inactive. I love you guys. Thank you so much. And enjoy the weekend. Be safe. I'll see you Monday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Joining TTD is the best decision I have made for my trading. I am so very thankful for the team at TTD. Thank you all. My pleasure, man. My pleasure. My pleasure. Love you guys. Enjoy the weekend. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. Turn on notifications if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys all Monday. Have a blast. Take care, guys.